Hey, my beauties, I'm back with another video. Today is a two-in-one, and I'll be showing you how I make my apple cider vinegar and tea rinse to stop shedding. And I'll be doing a twist out on stretched hair. So for the tea rinse, I boil 2 bags of organic tea in water. It doesn't matter the brand. Then in the squeeze bottle, I add 1/3 ACV and 2/3 of the cooled tea rinse. Shake well and apply. Now, you can do this before you wash or after you wash, but just an FYI, the ACV makes this stuff really stink. So for me in this video, I did it after my wash because I really wanted to make sure my scalp was clean. So I wanted a clean scalp so that the ACV could properly clean my hair. So my focus is making sure the tea is thoroughly saturated on my scalp and then my strands. Here are some benefits of apple cider vinegar and green tea. So, first of all, apple cider vinegar rebalances the scalp's pH. When our hair and scalp becomes too alkaline, negative electrical charges increase the friction between our hair fibers, causing damage, causing frizz, static, electricity, all of that stuff. And let me tell you, I was experiencing all of these symptoms, so I knew it was time for an ACV rinse. It also prevents excess bacterial growth. It cleanses the hair and the scalp. It really breaks down all the scalp buildup of grease, dead skin cells, and styling products. It enhances hair shine and luster to dull hair, smooths and softens strands by closing the hair cuticles, strengthens hair, has nutrients like vitamin B and vitamin C that promote stronger hair strands. Now, for green tea, some of the benefits are it prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth. This is really important, and this is why I mix it with the ACV. It's really to reduce the shedding because my hair has been shedding like crazy. It's also anti inflammatory, so it protects your hair from free radicals, and the caffeine in the green tea stimulates blood flow to the follicles, helping with healthy hair growth. So it's safe to say that there are so many benefits to using apple cider vinegar and green tea on your hair and your scalp. And so if you want to learn about any more benefits, look, you can just Google it. You can look it up right here on YouTube. There are several videos. I actually did, I think, 2 videos before. I think one with just apple cider vinegar rinse, and I think the other one was an ACV tea rinse. So you can also Google that. You can also look it up and check out my older videos. I'll also post the link in the description box below. Now, after applying this and making sure my scalp is fully saturated, I am going to cover with a plastic cap and, if possible, sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Honestly, I didn't sit under the dryer. I was too tired. But you can sit for maximum effect. You can sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes and rinse out. Now, make sure to follow up with a deep conditioner because green tea can be strong and leave the hair feeling dry. So adding moisture back into the hair is key. A hair steam, if possible, would be best. And now for my style. I decided to do a twist out on stretched hair. My hair needs a serious cut, y'all, which I will be doing this week. I'm getting my hair done this week, so I'm excited about that. I'm drying my hair on low heat and then I'm stretching it for a few seconds with my blow dryer on high. I don't want to manipulate my hair too much with heat because it's already damaged. I already have so much heat damage and I don't want to add too much of that. So my hair has grown so much, but lately it has just been breaking off due to stress. So I am definitely look at that mess. I'm definitely gonna get it cut off. Just getting all of the heat damage cut off so that we can start fresh again. So now that my hair is all dried, I am going to begin to part out my shape. So I'm going to do a side part instead of down the middle. I haven't had a side part in a minute. I have not twisted out my hair on the whole in over a year. Can you believe that? In over a year. So guess how this gonna come out? Just guess. So after I finish blow drying my hair, I'm going to be adding my J.Antoinette 1927 leave-in conditioning milk. Of course, you guys know that that's my favorite leave-in, right? I'm gonna make sure I add that for some additional moisture. Now today I'm going to be using the Shea Butter Manuka Honey and Yogurt Multi-Styling Mousse for these twists. I love the hole and definition that this mousse gives to my curly wigs, so I wanted to give it a try on my twist out because the goal is to have definition. That's the goal for my twist out. I really wanted some really good definition. And because my ends are so straight, I'm going to wrap them with my skinny perm rods to the end. Now this mousse is fast drying, and since I did it on dry hair, I just let it dry overnight. Now I'm gonna be 100% honest. This was like this thing was not working for me. I haven't, like I said, I haven't twisted out my hair. I haven't done a twist out in over a year. And so I definitely feel like my hair has just not been, or my hair is not used to being twisted anymore. And so just using it on dry hair with a little bit of leave-in conditioner and this styling mousse may not have been the best idea. I'm so used to when I'm twisting out my hair, I'm seeing that beautiful definition in the twist, and I'm not seeing that here. And so from that first twist, I was like, wait, did I lose it? Because I know how to give a good twist out. And so I'm like, okay, my hair just is not cooperating with this, you know, with the product, or I just need to go back and start practicing. But there's not much definition like I'm used to. And so at about this point, I was getting real worried because normally my twists at the scalp have a really, really, really good definition. And yeah, as you can see, it's not really looking that defined. But look at the ends. Look at the ends of my hair. So that's why I'm getting a cut. Look at all the damaged ends from the heat. So this is why I'm going to be getting a cut, and then I'm going to be doing another deep moisturizing treatment just to get my hair back on track and start training my hair again. As you guys know, or probably don't know, all of 2022 I was really doing a lot of protective styling. So I was just keeping my hair braided and wearing a lot of wigs. So yeah, hair didn't grow. I did a lot of, no, I think I did about 5 silk presses. I was doing a silk press probably every 2 months, I would say, every 2 to 3 months. And I think that also contributed to the damage, even though at that time I didn't care. I was like, oh, I'll just become a protective style natural. But as the owner and CEO of a hair care brand, yeah, that's not working out for me. I really need to get back into creating content, so starting fresh. All right, so this is the final look. Hey, don't judge me. It was much easier to do, I would say, on dry hair, though, on stretched hair. So definitely. So before I continue my takedown, I'm gonna add my J.Antoinette Follicle Stimulating Serum to my scalp. And I must say, I didn't realize until I was doing this video how much more thicker my hair has gotten. And so after adding my serum, I'm going in with this Kera Care liquid sheen. Um, to moisturize just the ends and give it some shine, because you guys saw those ends when we were twisting, honey. The ends were not doing well at all. So I'm trying to give myself some hope here. But yeah, I have not realized how thick my hair has gotten over the last year or so, especially since losing so much hair from pregnancy. You guys know I'm about 2 years postpartum, 2.5 years, but this is the thickest my hair has ever been. And so I'm excited about that for sure. And I'm going to be making sure to incorporate these tea rinses every month. just to keep that thickness and to keep that health and to just help to rehabilitate my hair and my strands. But yeah, so as you see, we're taking this thing down and I'm already running into trouble. Okay, it's looking kind of dry. I'm experiencing some tangling and the twist, like, look at that. I'm just like, what is going on? And this is how it was at this point when I knew that I just could not wait any longer. I needed to get my hair cut. It was when I was doing this video because look how it's coming out. And so thank God for the perm rods to give the ends some kind of curl, because this would have been a complete fail if I had not done that. And so, because the roots aren't twisted tight like I'm used to, and it being juicy like I'm used to, I'm just kind of struggling. Like, it's not giving the definition, especially that front part. Oh, God. It's not giving the definition that I'm used to. But, it did what it did. And I think it's the product too. Um, that Shea Moisture styling foam is just not the one for me. I'm going to try the Mousse Staff next, the texture foam. I really like that one, and I was going to go in with that one, and I should have. But I'll keep this Shea Moisture for my wigs because it really does well on my curly wigs. I love it. And after I cut my hair, I'm gonna twist my hair down again and see how it works with the styling foam. But y'all know I love me a good twist and curl souffle. I love to twist my hair with that. And I think adding the styling foam will just keep it more defined for a little bit longer so it doesn't frizz out with just the cream. So we'll try that next. So I'm just adding this edge control because your girl needs some help. My ends are so frizzy, it's disgusting. Okay, it's frizzy, it's a mess. This style lasted for one day. The baby hair saved it, the picking up of the roots and the stretch. I think because I did it on stretched hair, it came out so much better. Let me tell y'all, if I had did this on my hair wet, when I tell you this would have been a hot donkey mess, it would have been a hot donkey mess. So it doesn't look that bad here. Once we're done, we edge control the edges, you do our baby hairs. It doesn't look bad. But let me tell y'all, the next day, those ends were so straggly and mashed down. It was disgusting. It was a complete mess. But nonetheless, it was, it did what it did for the purpose I needed it to. That was just to get a good picture and get some good video content. Not pleased at all, but I'm so excited to do another twist out though when I get my haircut. Like, you guys can see the back. It's just really not. It's so frizzy, it's ridiculous. And this is how you know your hair needs to cut. When your ends frizz out immediately, you know you need to trim. But all in all, it didn't come out that bad. It's still kind of cute. And so I will see you guys in the next video post haircut. Alrighty, bye bye.